Hello, I am Jason Drulard with EDL 850 Mod 1. Just some personal demographics. I'm in my third year of teaching. I am a 7th grade ELA teacher. Also being in my 6th year of coaching, I was able to start coaching before I even started teaching, and I will be the head coach of the girls middle school basketball program. Currently I'm at Smoky Valley Middle School. The town itself is Lindsborg, Kansas. It has a population of about 3,268. The school demographics are about 92% white, which is different to my previous school. There are also about 43% low-income considered students, which is again very different compared to where I was at previously, where the number was close to about 60 to 70 in there. And the school itself is also above state average in testing. Some critical reflection. So far I've noticed that our principal is very knowledgeable and has a good depth of knowledge. So a couple of examples, just has a good understanding of standard procedures when it comes to IEPs. And they also denied an out-of-district request from a troubled student. By doing that, he really followed through with the state law and made sure that he covered his bases. He's always looking for improvements in school policies. Just recently he coordinated a meeting of teachers to restructure a late work policy. He's always looking for areas to improve and what needs to be adjusted. He knows the school policy by heart and can quickly give an answer without having to go dig through it. He just can give it off the top of his head. And he sticks to school policy. He holds the teachers accountable to sticking to that policy, and he's very good about making sure that he himself is sticking to that policy. The superintendent is a very strong leader for our district. He orchestrated the district hiring an SRO, which has been very good for our students because it's not really, he's not seen as a threat. It's where students feel safer by having him. And he also took action against juuling in schools. It's been a concern, and he has been able to bring in or have the ability to initiate litigation against the juuling companies. So some critiques, I would definitely say I have very little background knowledge on state and federal laws. However, I am very familiar with school policies, and that's thanks to a class where I had the students break down school policies for a presidential debate. This would give them a chance to understand more, and it allowed me to read through the school handbook. I would also very much like to know the process of expulsion, how state laws differ from state to state, and how to go about changing policies within a district or building. Is that process easy? Is it long? Or is it just something that takes figuring out what to do, and it can be done rather quickly? My plan, research laws. Number one thing that I always preach to my kids, research. And so that's one thing that I want to make sure that I'm doing is researching the ins and outs of the state laws and federal laws. Also ask the administration. I want to ask them about their prior experiences in changing policies and dealing with laws, their current plans. What are they trying to change? What are some obstacles with state laws? Also, what are their areas that they're looking for growth? And I want to observe them. Maybe it's in a meeting. Maybe it's just simply sitting down, thinking about what needs to be changed. In that case, I just want to watch them. So that would be my plan. And I very much look forward to this class being able to help reach my pursuit of becoming a principal. Thanks for watching.